we are making a recipe of diet-free option in sabudana vada. That is, it will be given for the ingredients. It will be given on the manual book. So here I am taken the ingredients of. So here sabudana I taken for the 1 cup. This is soaked for 1 hour. So here I taken the ingredients of potato, boiled potato, green chili, curry leaves, coriander, so little bit jeera and crushed garlic and salt to taste. So first we can boiled potato we can do for the snashing. We can mix all the ingredients, make a soft dough. See, nicely you can smash the potatoes. So for this one, we'll add for the sabudana. For this, we can add ingredients. So added for little bit jeera for the tasty purpose. We'll add a salt to taste. We'll mix well for this. We mixed up. So this we can make for the vada type. So whatever size you require, you can make it this. Just you can keep it like this. Okay, see now that sabudana tikki is ready here. Vada. So this is, it's a auto cooking menu it will become. So here we can press for the diet fry option. Diet fry option. Here I can select for the 111. The auto cooking menu recipe it will be given for the 111. We can keep inside and start the button. So this is I kept for the 2 potatoes when I taken. So it's take for the 12 minutes. It's take for the 12 minutes. So in between once it will become to the peak. Once the peak will become, you can turn and keep. It will become for the 2 times of the peak. So 2 times also you can turn and keep. It will become for the both the side browning efficiency. So last 20 seconds will be there. The sabudana vada is ready here. So this is we are making for the auto cook menu, diet fry option without using for the 1 drop oil. So it will become for the crispy with a browning also it comes with this. Now sabudana vada is ready. Okay.